We love native plants here at the Cincinnati Nature Center. We cultivate them, teach guests how to garden with them, and spread the word about their benefits. There are lots of ecological reasons to plant native, including providing food for pollinators and habitat for wildlife. But it's not all environmental altruism. There are human benefits to planting native as well. If you're still on the fence, new to gardening, or just looking for a change in your outdoor space, check out this countdown of the top 5 reasons to plant native.
Number 5. Native plants are beautiful. Native plants are sometimes thought of as less appealing than the non-native species that can be found at most garden centers. But think about the beauty of Virginia bluebells in the spring, coneflowers in the summer, or the contrast of asters and goldenrod in the fall. In truth, native plants come in a variety of colors, sizes, textures, and include flowers, grasses, shrubs, and trees. It's a beautiful palette to work from. Number 4. Native gardening is trendy. Gardening trends in recent years have leaned towards a more natural style. According to magazines and TikTok videos and Instagram, manicured lawns and boxwoods are out, and native prairies and wild gardens are in. A notable example of this style is the Highline, where native grasses and flowers create habitat for wildlife in the middle of Manhattan. Get on board and say you liked it before it was cool. Number 3. Native gardening can help with water control. If you have issues like water runoff and erosion in your outdoor space, native gardening can help. Native plants that like wet environments can be grouped together in rain gardens to slow down runoff from gutters. And shrubs like ninebark and grasses like big bluestem have deep and extensive root systems that can hold soil in place. For a comparison, the roots of turfgrass are only about 2 to 3 inches long, whereas the roots of big bluestem can reach about 8 feet. Number 2. Native gardening requires less maintenance. Forget daily watering and soil amendments. Native plants are adapted to the soil and climate of the area where you live. Some native plants can break through heavy clay, and some can tolerate drought and wildlife foraging. And once they're established, native plants are very low maintenance. Think about the time, water, and money lawn care takes. What could you save by replacing a portion of your lawn with something like a pocket prairie? Number 1. Enjoy more life in your yard. You might know that biodiversity is good for the environment, but recent studies have shown that it increases human mental well-being too. If you have children in your life, native gardens are great areas to give them early, direct experiences with the natural world. In sum, increasing life in your outdoor space allows you to do something good for the environment, practice self-care, and to share the joy with your family and friends.
If you're convinced and want to learn more about planting native, please subscribe to this channel. And check out the programs link below for more online and in-person learning opportunities from Cincinnati Nature Center. Thanks for watching.